In this tutorial, we will explore how you can configure the delayed tracking upload feature in Sellercloud to ensure that only active tracking information is sent out and made available to your customers. Let's get started. To access the order delayed tracking settings page, follow these steps. Navigate to Settings and click on Orders. Click on a last option, Show More. Scroll down and click on Delayed Tracking Upload Settings to access the configuration page. On the Delayed Tracking Settings page, you'll see a grid displaying all your channels, including the ones you have not enabled. This configuration is client-wide, meaning it affects all orders in the marketplace, regardless of the order company or customer. Now let's take a closer look at the columns in this grid and how they can be used to configure your delayed tracking uploads. Delayed tracking time. This column allows you to set a specific time of the day, after which tracking upload will be allowed. For example, if your carrier picks up orders at 6 p.m., you can set the time to 7 p.m. to ensure all tracking numbers are scanned and activated before being sent to the marketplace. Min hours to wait. In this column, you can specify a minimum amount of hours between entering the tracking information into Sellercloud and sending it to the marketplace. For instance, if you set it to 2 hours and you ship an order at 4 p.m., the tracking will not be uploaded until 6 p.m. at the earliest. Skip on Saturday. This option prevents tracking from being sent on Saturdays. Skip on Sunday. Similarly, this option prevents tracking from being sent on Sundays. You can use any combination of these columns to customize the delayed tracking upload settings for each channel. Let's say you want to set a specific time for tracking upload and also have a minimum waiting period. Here's how you would do it. In this example, any orders shipped after 6 p.m. will not be sent with the delayed feed because less than 1 hour would have passed. This ensures that only active tracking information is sent to your customers, avoiding any confusion caused by tracking numbers that have not yet been picked up by the carrier. If you require more detailed tracking rules tailored to your specific needs, you can always contact Sellercloud support and make a request. That's it. Now you have the tools to control when and how tracking information is sent to your marketplace channels.